Hey everyone, Tim and Mary here of the Knott's Network.
Yes!
We are back at Knott's Berry Farm for the first day of Knott's Spooky Farm.
Woo!
We are here for a day of fun, spooky, family-friendly stuff.
Yes, it's Halloween!
Yes, we are dressed up in costumes because it's the only time we can really get away with wearing our Harry Potter robes at Knott's.
Yes.
And then later on tonight we are going to the Cauldron and then also Scary Farm.
Woo!
So we got a long day ahead of us. We want to thank you for tuning in. I want to give a huge shout out to our top Patreon supporters, Tom, SoCal Fun Seekers, David the Psychic, and CDR Farside.
Woo!
All right, guys. We realized as we checked the app that there's not everything is going on. And
Well, technically the only thing not going on is Booby.
okay, just Bob Bakers aren't going on today. But that's okay. We've seen them the last 2 times, so we're good. We're good. We're good. Now we got the funny music. The creepy
Plus,
music.
Knott's Berry Farm posted.
Hey, look at their Spooky Farm shirt right there. It's a deal breaker. It's only $19.99, guys. Safety orange.
Yes, wear that stuff out at night.
For your. Oh, look, there's one other person. There's 2 other people dressed up. We're not the only ones. The candy. Ooh, yes, Starburst. Thank you. Happy Halloween. All right, guys, we're going to Calico Park or Calico, the mine stage? Which stage? Okay, Park. Oh yeah, aren't they doing a bunch of activities over there? Ghost Town is decorated very well. Can't wait for tonight. We're finally back. It's our 3rd visit, yeah? And another candy. Trick or treat. This is the first day of the trick-or-treating. Spooktivities down at Calico Park. Look at this stage, how cute. Look at, there's is that Charlie Brown as Frankenstein? There's Sally over there. Oh, and Peppermint Patty and Snoopy.
Candace Ford and Jackson all lantern.
Oh, look at that.
Hello everyone and happy Halloween! Welcome to Spooktivities. I'm Jack and this is my friend Candy.
Hello, everyone.
We're so excited that you joined us today to celebrate the spookiest season of them all.
That's right, Jack. There are so many fun things to experience here at Knott's Spooky Farm.
We've got trick-or-treating. Has anyone been trick-or-treating yet? I see some bags.
Yes.
And right now we thought it'd be fun to play some Halloween games.
That sounds perfect, Jack. Let's bring out 2 of our friends to help us out.
Good idea.
Yeah.
Everyone, please give a big round of applause for Peppermint Patty and Charlie Brown.
Woo!
Look at their costumes. Look at their friends.
They look awesome.
Peppermint Patty, you're up first. Show us what you got. All right, let's have a big round of applause for Patty. Here's some encouragement. Here we go, Patty. And 1, 2, 3. Oh, so very good.
All right, Charlie Brown, now it's your turn. Let's see what you got.
You got this, Charlie Brown.
Oh, getting ready.
Warming up.
Oh, that
He's
is the
warming
most
up.
important part.
Oh!
All right, are we all ready to play some beanbag toss?
Mary's got a heart on for Panda Express.
Because it's easy and it's right here and we need to be here.
All right, then we'll get Panda. So yeah, we're gonna go get some grubs. It's cool. You could see a mine train in that little door, one of the back areas. Tunnel 4. That's where they store them. Panda. All right, grub. I know Mary and I are talking about the bee movie because yesterday we were doing some recycling and there was like bees all over it. And then we were thinking about the Spook Show episode. The key is to relax. All right. We just got our food and check it out. Snoopy is all dressed up and so is Schroeder. Looks like the Phantom of the Opera.
Some more Hogwarts friends.
Hi, Snoopy and Schroeder. Oh, there's a tree there.
You 2 are so cute.
You want to get in the middle? There's another show at 1 o'clock. There's some pumpkin decorating. I like the Cassandra one. And they got cookie decorating too.
Put your hands together for your hosts, Candace Ford and Jackson O. Lantern.
Hello, everybody. Hi there. Hello. Hi, everyone, and happy Halloween. It's so good to see all of you here as we celebrate my favorite season of them all. And oh boy, have we got something sweet planned for you.
That's right, Candy. Hold on to your hats and witches' brooms because we are about to kick off the spookiest dance party of the season!
Come everyone, gather around as we get ready to show off our best dance moves with all of you.
I have been practicing my moves all year. We've got the skeleton shake, the pumpkin twist, the
Oh
monster
wait,
mash.
Jack, we couldn't possibly have a proper Halloween dance party without the help of some of our friends.
You are right, Candy. Let's bring them out to join in on the fun.
Let's do it. Everyone, please put your hands together for Peppermint Patty, Sally, Snoopy, Charlie Brown, and Linus.
Look at all their costumes. Hi, friends. Let's give another round of applause for our friends up here. All right, I think it's time to show off our best and spookiest dance moves. Are we ready for a little dance party? I can't hear you. Are we ready for a dance party? Then here we go.
Snap along, everyone.
All right, it's time to kick off this dance party. We're going to start off by learning a few dance moves by some of our friends up here. So here, crew dance. Join us everyone, elbows up just like this. Looking good.
Patty, show us what you got.
Other way.
Other way.
Right, Charlie Brown, you're up next. Then let's join them, everyone. Arms out forward. Looking good.
Dance moves do you have for us? Let's do it.
Go, Sadie, go.
All right, we got a new dance, the purple monster dance. All right, 3 new dance moves. First move, we point to our one eye. And then we make a little horn with our arms. We burst those arms and fly away. Again, point your one eye into your horn. We fly away. Great job. You think you got it? I believe in you all.
We're gonna put one eye and onto our horn. We're gonna burst and then we're gonna fly. All right, let's do it again.
Snoopy.
Freeze. Rock it out.
There you go.
Make your favorite dance move.
Freestyle.
Looking good.
Cowboy.
And pose.
Tequila.
Sounds like something's bubbling and brewing. Do you know what it sounds like?
I don't.
I think it sounds like the Monster Mash.
Ladies, let's start our Monster Mash dance. We're gonna start with our arms down. Everybody put their arms
I know, right?
and down.
There's 5 of them up
And
there.
then up, and then down. And then we're gonna do 4 straight.
I got too hot. I needed to go in the shade. I got too hot. I'm being burning up in the sun.
Nice job.
Side stage view. This is the pumpkin patch.
What's happening?
Showing off your Halloween best.
Goodbye, everyone. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. Bye, cuties. Bye, babies. Rock and roll, Mary. Rock and roll. Woo! Yeah. I know you're thinking of something. He's thinking, right? He's thinking of something to say right now. Woo!
Thank you for being here, everybody. I appreciate all of you. And I know there's one person here that's got a snake on his head, which is something that you got to be aware of. You got to be for sure that you got the right kind of snake. I love it. You don't want to live in this one.
I told you was gonna say something. I looked at him, I'm like, oh, and I was recording
I know,
too.
I saw
I'm like,
him.
oh, he's getting ready. He's getting ready, guys, to talk about me. The candy factory. The candy store smells so good right now. There's some more trick-or-treating. No bubby today. Here's more trick-or-treating.
More candy.
More candy. It's because we're dressed up, they slipping us the candies. The sugar that we need later.
Get ready, guys. We're gonna see the critter.
Oh yeah. Look at that serpent.
Hey, I didn't know you were here.
There's a real snake. There's a spider. Herb Devourer. Look at that spider.
So many creepy crows.
So many creepy colors.
So many creepy crows.
Oh, cockroaches. With their babies. Silver bullet time. All right, we just got off the silver bullet. That was fun.
Oh, that was so fun. No wait, guys.
Yeah, 0 wait.
But they're only one train off.
Yeah, but they'll probably have 2 trains running tonight. I'm sure of it. I don't know if this is the new pin release for this week, but I'll ask Mary to double check because she's the one that is like on these things like white on rice. More trick-or-treat locations. Oh, that's right, I have candy on me. It's all Starburst. That's what they keep giving me. Like, this is the only thing I'll take from them. Starburst. Starburst. Trick or treat. Hello. Mary. Whoa. He's blacksmithing.
Hi everyone and happy Halloween! Welcome to Spooktivities. I'm Jackson O'Lantern, but you can call me Jack for short. Now, I come from a long line of O-Lanterns. My father was the best! Why, I don't even hold the candle to him. Get it? Candle, Jack O'Lantern? I guess I'll have to carve out my own niche. Anyway, I'm here to tell a very spooky Halloween story. But, because... let's give it up for our 2 special guests! Now, in the spirit of the season, we thought we'd want to share a very spooky Halloween story.
The shade
And
over
swirling
here.
around.
Shade, you guys, shade.
The Masked Beagle!
The masked beagle.
Yes, the Masked Beagle protects us. The Masked Beagle arrived on the... You'll never believe this. It was a kid from another town dressed up as none other than... the Red Baron. Curse you, Red Baron! And the Masked Beagle returned all the candy to Charlie Brown and all of his friends.
Snoopy, the Masked Beagle saved Halloween.
All together, let's give a big round of applause and shout hooray for our hero, Snoopy! 1, 2, 3, hooray! Amazing job.
Hooray.
That was quite the story.
In Gold Trails Hotel.
Yeah, you guys, all the new pins from this year's Scary Farm. And then here's a pin board. And Mary spotted this. Yeah, I wanted to get another not Scary Farm blanket, and then she found one with Elvira on it. I'm like, bonus! It's only $45. Alright, Gold Mine Trails is open right now, so we're gonna go back there and check it out. Trick or treat, smell my feet.
This is
What is
supposed
this?
to be activated with the lantern.
Ah, I thought so. Oh, it activates bubble. There's more treats. More trick-or-treating stations. Gold Mine Trails is open. We got games,
Not only
merchandise.
that, but you could try some of those seasonal treats and eats back here
Yeah.
at this booth right here.
They also got some
Games. And
beef jerky. Beef jerky and kennel corn. Phantom at the Gold Trails Hotel. Jerked out beef jerkies back here. They're also here during Scary Farm too. Really good stuff. Oh, here's another treat trail with the M&Ms. Yeah, they don't have this open right now, Mary. Only during Scary Farm, it looks like.
Yeah.
Maybe on the weekends though, Saturdays, when it's a little busier. So, yeah. Ghost Rider! We're gonna go back to the big gold mine. Alright guys, we are just chilling. We got some ices because we're burning up in our costumes. We're waiting for the cavalcade, our Snoopy's spooktacular costume party. There's a ghost walking around. Check it out. Snoopy's spooktacular costume party. They just covered that up. There's techies over there. Check. A few minutes before this parade is underway.
it's gonna be so cute, guys.
I think that's the last thing for the day, right?
Yes, it is.
It is. There's only a few things not going. One thing that wasn't going on today, right?
Yeah.
And it was Bob
Bobby.
Baker. Bobby. Yes, you're back, 41. We hear you.
Snoopy can't wait to see your spooktacular style. We are just 5 minutes away from Snoopy's spooktacular costume party, right here at the Calico Mine Stage.
Snoopy!
Alright, are we ready for a costume party? Yeah! Well then, let the cavalcade begin!
Oh, she dropped her hat. Look, there's Tiffany, man. There. Baby Yoda.
Look at all these wonderful costumes.
Just like that.
Peppermint Patty. Snoopy.
Oh, man.
Oh, it's top dog. Snoopy. Linus.
Looking good. Look at all these costumes. He's back.
Look at that Charlie Brown. Tiffany's angry already. Charlie Brown's funny. Peppermint Betty. Snoopy. Charlie Brown.
was, dare I even say, spooktacular. Let's put up all this around. Linus, Peppermint Patty, and Snoopy. It just wouldn't be Halloween without you all.
We hope you all have the best Halloween ever. Before we go, let's all say trick or treat on the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Trick or treat! Souvenir! Woo! Ooh, okay, we just watched the parade. Lots of cool, cute costumes. Shade. They're getting ready for Scary Farm. Rope drop. This is for the early entry peeps. We're not gonna do that. By the time we get in here, that's all done. We're going to the cauldron tonight. So we just got some more things off of our wish list. And then something was added because I saw it and went, that's cool, I want it. This is a license plate frame right here. It says Scary Farm on it. Mary got the 8 fingers 9 button, or pin. And then we got an Elvira blinky. It's the experience one, but we just wanted it because it had Elvira on it. It was either this or Seymour.
Yes. Ooh, last stop. I want to see.
Oh yeah, Mary's pictures.
Little frames are.
And honestly, I grew up with Elvira, so did Mary. So
Yeah.
it's all about that Elvira, the double D's.
Oh yes.
The double D's. Devil ears. Horns.
Not inside here.
Event shirts are the best deals. $19.99. Even this one's $19.99. Mary's seeing if our pictures, if they have the Spooky Farm frames. Social media. People are lining up for them buffet. I'll wait for you, Mary.
Thank you.
Look at that giant rooster. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for our Spooky Farm visit. We missed out on the Bob Baker, but that's okay, because we've seen him a bunch of times. And we might, I think that was the only thing that wasn't going on today, huh?
Yeah, that was the only.
Otherwise, that's the Spooky Farm experience. Alright, we are gonna go take a little break in the car, and then we are gonna head to the cauldron to pregame. Yeah, this license plate frame is cool, guys. I'll have to take pictures of it. And if you follow us on Facebook, you'll see them. It's a yarn. It's only $10.99. It's metal. Guys, that's gonna do it for our Spooky Farm vlog.
Yes.
Thank you guys so much for tuning in. A lot of cute little fun things to do this Spooky Farm season.
Woo! It's a celebration of Halloween here at Knott's Berry Farm.
Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thanks, Knott's Berry Farm. The place looks great.
Yes.
The shows are awesome. It's nice to see all the Peanuts characters on stage together.
Yes, dancing and being cute in their costumes. Ah, I love it.
It's been a while.
And we love the opportunity to dress up.
Yes, especially in our Hogwarts costumes.
Yeah.
Because we don't get, otherwise we wouldn't wear these here. So thank you guys again for tuning in. We want to thank you to everybody that came up and said hello.
Yes.
It's nice seeing y'all.
Yes, and to
familiars and everything.
Yes, and to the amazing cast and crew of Knott's Berry Farm.
Yes. We'll see you guys all next video. Huge shout out to our Patreon supporters, Tom, Cookie Trails, Tucker Time, CDR Farsight, SoCal Fun Seekers, Crow Slots, Lewis, David the Psychic, Jackson, C and Andrew.
Woo!
I'll see you later.
Bye-bye.